Uganda Human Rights Commission ka UN Human Rights kes de baka sebe adomoto kesi musagono ledo leta kaisa kanyau naluni anyau no karwa jem ito no karulo luda itorontere luda iwara anwa moromora Apedorosio nuda Itunga neo karamoja idoto manasobana nuda itolo munere Ipolisin ulema jasa itutoro somero kecheleja yolilim Elias Kasirabo lodere komanda ngolo ka astu nyezda abu ichora ka Ipolisin bekote sa choi kina no itolo sete ipotolo iku.
The skills you have attained should help promote and protect people. Don't use the skills to victimize the population. We have issues of human rights. Even today I had a team from UN in my office. They had come to interact with me and they will be coming in our next training. They will be involved. Issues to do with human rights. Don't be excessive when you are dealing with the public.
Ido Ipolisin akasa kanyango na loka nyangon nyezda aponi nyakaro tomano somero anoda ijene iponelo itosomaite imudunlo apoloko akalo na kesa misekin ebaje iponelo da kototoreko kola kaluda ibaren na neo tomano karamoja aipikorite Ipolisin ilu.
The arm
indeed he has of a raider.
Of a raider.
But we have minimized now the body.
It was realized that the raiders holding the same kind of weapon with the policemen. They were not feeling the weight of the policemen at all. They have been taken through introduction to SMG, that's a submachine gun, and particularly we looked at AK-47 and submachine gun. They have been also taken equally through light machine guns, which specifically we looked at PKM.
Train, now we are looking very fit here. The size as we have reshaped you, do not go again and pay back. Those who drink, I guess the time you have been here is not a test. When you have to drink, know when to drink. It's not that we can't stop you from drinking, but limit. The area you're operating in is a deadly area.
Aponda Ecorakin na Ipolisin na idara kesawate jokom ido miraraute ngunulude mengeraka otomanaswa mukech.
Discipline goes with protecting yourselves against social distress and the moral behavior. The way you conduct yourselves determines how long you will live. If you conduct yourself poorly, I can assure you, you cut short your lifespan. So you need to look at that aspect. You must live a responsible life. In Karamoja sub-region, most of us are strangers to the region because you are not inhabitants. You must really understand the aspects of the people and how to live with them.
Lokes de tiakunitai anede jasi Ipolisin elu kumitike da kwatakan loda pacho bwapugano yanga unte karamoja anengarakina idemi mudun. Godfred Eyoko TV is Karamoja.